Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with another video. If you're new or you're returning, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every single time your girl me Jeanette uploads a new video. In today's video, I was showing you guys these head wraps that I purchased, okay? And I really do like the colors, okay? The colors eat down. The colors are absolutely amazing. I like these head wraps because they're not as heavy, but I bought these because these are lighter to me anyways, and the colors are beautiful, okay? The black you can wear on anything. The white, in my opinion, I feel like you can wear on anything. The yellow eats down. Yeah, if you want to go ahead and get you some, go ahead and get you some. If you want, I can link it down in the description down below. And in this video, I also ended up trying to style these hair wraps. The first two styles that I did, the last one, oh Lord, that was a mess. Okay, the last one was a mess. And we're just going to have to do a redo over one day. We're just going to have to do a redo over one day. But before I continue into this video today, I want to talk to you guys about now. And what do I mean by now? To not wait until tomorrow to give your life to Jesus, because you don't know if tomorrow is promised. Give your life to Jesus now. Surrender to God now. Talk to God now. Tomorrow is not promised. It's important to live your life living for Christ now, for tomorrow is not promised. If there's anybody you offended, if there's anything that you need to ask the Lord forgiveness for, I would say do that now. Because you live today, but tomorrow is not promised. And I urge you to seek the Lord always. Lean on him always. He's the answer to all prayers. He's the Lord of all. He's the God that loves you unconditionally. He's a God that shows not only mercy, but he forgives you, and he wants the best for you as his child. In my opinion, I feel like surrender to God now. Because there's people who died today. They didn't know that today was their last. There's people who died yesterday and didn't know that yesterday was their last. That's why I urge that you truly live and surrender to God now. Check on that friend now. That family member you no longer talk to, and God is calling, check on them. Please check on them now. If God is calling you to check on your friends, check on them now. Don't wait tomorrow, because tomorrow is not promised. There's this recording that I did for this song that I sang, and I want to play for you guys for that now. Yeah, so keep on watching. These were two songs that I decided to do like a combo. I sang a short version of that song, and then I sang a full version of this other song. And this combination was beautiful, okay? It was, in my opinion.
Do what only you can do. Let your name be glorified in my life and in my days. Let your name be glorified. Do what only you can do. Let your name be glorified in my life and in my days. Let your name be glorified. Do all you can do. Let my days. Let your name be glorified. If I could make just one request that will mark all the days I have lived, I'd rather not be known for treasures and fame, or trophies and accolades I know will fade. Instead, I would rather be known by the kindness and love that I've shown, to be known for patience and long suffering, the giver of life by the words that I speak. So with every breath you give to breathe, I pray it's your glory that they'll see, and all of the words this world could say, may they see I am full of grace. I'll be the first to confess I'm not always found at my best, but Lord, be my strength in those moments I'm weak, and I'll keep on giving the grace I received. So with every breath you give to breathe, I pray it's your glory that they'll see. And finally when I see your face, and I reach the end of my race, I don't want to be known for finishing strong, but someone that your grace carried all along. Oh, with every breath you give to breathe, I pray it's your glory that they'll see, and all of the words this world could say, may they see I am full of grace. Oh, full of grace. Full of grace. Counselor, comforting keeper, Spirit